What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Hungry Road. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Eric. Please smash the subscribe button and like the video while you're at it, and like the video while you're at it. I always speed through that part. But welcome to the Sometimes We Walk series. We go over one of the shoes in my collection, something I'm looking forward to wearing or picking up or whatever. So these are going to be nothing too special, but something I just really like because of how simple they are. These are Jordan 9 Particle Gray. They came out June 21st, 2022. Retail for about $200, and I think they're on StockX now for like $275. But it's a nice, crisp, clean colorway. I have worn these already, so I'm not going to put them on the table directly like I usually do. We can put them on the box like this. But look how clean and crisp and chill these are. Very simple. 4 colors: black, particle gray, white, red. That's it. Nothing crazy. You do have a lot of intricate details here in sort of the it's not the midsole, the sole midsole upper, I guess. Pretty cool, but like nothing crazy. Like I enjoy, but I'm sure all this has some sort of meaning to it. Like it's on the side. Oh, is that 2, 3? No, is that 4? I don't know. I don't do a lot of history on my Jordans before getting them. I just like to review them because they're cool. I'm a sneakerhead, but I'm not going into the history of the shoe. I would. And I'm rambling right now. Cool logo on the back. Little red up top there. That's it. There's no other red on the shoe. Maybe red on the inside. Inside Jordan logo is red. But yeah, man. Pretty solid. Easy to match. You see, I got my black and gray Hungry Road shirt on. You need a Hungry Road shirt. $30 shipped to your door if you're in the United States. But yeah, man, these are actually very comfortable. I'm a huge fan of 9s. When I look at 9s, I don't see Jordan. You know, it's like some of those shoes, like you just know they belong to that player or that person. 9s don't really do that for me. They don't give me like Jordan. I could be wrong, but it's a natural feeling. But it is what it is. You know, a lot of cool writing on the bottom. Same with the chili red 9s that we reviewed a little while ago. A lot of cool stuff. With the Spanish, was there some Spanish on the bottom? So yeah, I can't read these because I've worn them already. Got 23 on the bottom of the shoes. A lot of detail on the bottom. Like, why? You're gonna get them all dirty and messed up. They're gonna lose all its grace. But it's fine. But yeah, man, that's really about it. Nothing too crazy here. I do like the sort of the shoelace holders. Those are kind of cool. Never really paid attention to those. But that's it. This is a short one. Love the sock liner. Makes the 9 super, super comfortable. Could wear these all day. Feet don't get all stink. Still smelling new. I keep them new, man. I wipe them down every time I wear them, so they stay that way. But all right, guys, that was good balance. These were the Jordan 9 Particle Gray. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. There's a lot more where this came from. Check out the rest of the playlist. Some of my other kicks. There's a lot more coming. I just try to do a shoe video every 2 weeks so that I don't saturate y'all and I don't leave my supply barren. I can only buy so many shoes. Take care, guys. Stay safe. Thank you. There's never an empty tank or empty stomach on this road.